Hello everybody. I hope that you're all keeping safe, that you're working hard at home and accessing all of the wonderful learning that your teachers have put on the Google Classrooms. Welcome to this week's Celebration Assembly, and it's a time for us to be able to praise and celebrate all of those children that have been working hard at home and going above and beyond in their learning. So without further ado, for this week's Superstar Learners, we have Christy and Saoirse, who have been engaging incredibly well with all of the work that Miss Maynard has set on Tapestry as well as on the Google Classroom. And we're particularly impressed with the lovely video that Christy sent through about her learning to share her numbers. So well done to both of you. In year 1, Miss Rose would like to celebrate B for her amazing effort at home. She's been working incredibly hard and she's been sharing lots of videos and photos of the exciting learning that she's been doing. So well done to B and keep it up. And in year 2, Miss Rigdon would like to celebrate Isla, who has been showing some amazing effort in her maths this week. She's been particularly impressed with her reasoning skills in her maths learning, and well done to you, Isla. Keep it up. But also she'd like to make a special mention to Oja, Scarlett, Evie, Sienna, Alex, Ben, Xander and Sydney, who have all logged on to their Google Classrooms this week and have been trying incredibly hard. So well done to all of you. And in year 3, Miss Harris Scott would like to make a special mention and celebrate Eva, because she has not only been working incredibly hard in her learning, but also she has been making a real effort to contact all of her classmates and encourage them in their learning. So well done to you, Eva. Keep it up. In year 4, Miss Case wants to make a special mention for Callum this week, who has put a lot of detail and effort into his learning and has truly gone above and beyond. So well done to you, Callum. Year 5, Miss Williams would like to celebrate Schrader for her enthusiasm every day in her learning and just getting the best effort that she could put into every aspect of it. So well done. But she'd like to make a special mention for Nisa and Rihanna, who have got stuck in this week and have been trying even harder than they have done before. So well done to all of you. And in year 6, Miss Sheriff wants to celebrate David and Kieran, who have been making an incredible effort this week to do the best they can in their learning, trying new things and putting the real effort in. But she wants to make a special mention to all of year 6 who have all logged on this week to their learning and then tried incredibly hard. So well done to all of you. We're all really proud. Keep it up and make sure that you are trying your very hardest in all aspects of your learning. Make sure that you stay safe, that you try our Pajama Armour, a special reading competition today that we have published on our Google Classroom. So give that a go. It'll be really interesting to see all the different ways that you've tried to celebrate that, and I'll look forward to seeing them. Well done to everybody that's been working hard this week. Make sure that you're doing your learning, reading at home as every single day, and we will look forward to seeing you all hopefully soon back at school. But in the meantime, keep working hard and we'll be celebrating another assembly next week. Take care. Bye-bye.